Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve worksheet 37 of subject Social Science. It is for class 6. Here you need to write your name. Here your class teacher's name. Today's date is 1 December 2021 and topic is works of local government. So as you can see, it is saying that in the previous worksheet you have read that the government is of 3 tier like central government, state government and local government. Local government is also known as municipal corporation or municipal council in urban administration and panchayati raj in the rural administration. Over here it is a little bit cut. Then you have also read about the formation of rural and urban administration. In this worksheet we will read the services provided by the local government. Now there are local governments as you know, and there is a 3-tier government system that is having central government, state government and the local government. Okay, so local government is known as municipal corporation or municipal council. This is the name of the local government, that is municipal corporation or municipal council. That is for the urban administration, but we also have the rural administration. So in the rural administration, this body is known as Panchayati Raj. Then we have also read about the formation of rural and urban administration. In this worksheet, we will study about the services which these two local governments provide. Okay, so let us start reading about these. So first service over here is Gram Panchayat works includes. So first we will see about the services or works which Gram Panchayat performs. First one is the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings and other common property resources. So these are some of the things which the construction and maintenance of Gram Panchayat takes up, like water sources, that is water sources like from where the water will come, and also the roads where will you ride your bicycle and bike, and then the drainage system or the water will clog up if there is no drainage system at one place, school building for education and other common property resources as well. Now second point is maintenance of land records, as it is like who owns this piece of land, who owns that much land, etc. Next, levying and collecting local taxes. So basically it is collecting taxes from the villagers. Next, executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. Now as you know, there is not much like employment in the village area. So for this, what they have to do is they have to make and execute different governmental schemes which are related to generating employment in the village. Okay, so that the villagers can also start to work except farming even. Now we will see what are the services provided by our urban administration. Okay, so the first service is urban administration is necessary to provide the basic amenities like street lights, garbage collection, water supply. So these are some different things which the urban administration takes up or provides to the citizens, that is street lights, garbage collection or water supply. Next is second point, that is collecting house tax and water taxes, etc. Now as you know, you have like house tax like on what the house which you live in and rent, and that also, and the water supply which comes, that the taxes for that, electricity bills, etc. Next is the third one, that is they are responsible for cleaning the city drainage system, keeping the streets and markets clean. Okay, so again they are responsible for cleaning the city drainage system and keeping the streets and the markets clean. Fourth one is maintenance of parks and the market. Again it is very simple, the parks and the markets have to be maintained, then only the people will come to those parks and the markets. Now we have a question up here, so you can see what is the question here. What work similarities are in Gram Panchayat and urban administration. So, maintenance of roads, parks, street lights, schools and other public properties. So, as you can see, first the similarity is maintenance of roads and the parks and the street lights and the schools and other public properties. Collecting tax is also one of the similar services between these two. So, again they have to collect the taxes also, which is one of the similar work, okay, which is done not service but it is a work. So, you can correct it over here, it is not a service but it is a work, okay. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.